Okay, Greg, I've got your work up here, and let's go ahead and take a look. So, a couple of issues. Right now, remember this is iconic American entertainers. So we have a couple of issues. I mean, it can be argued, well, actually, Millie Bobby Brown is English. She's not American, so we can't use her. Kurtwood Smith, it can be argued that Kurtwood Smith is not an iconic American entertainer. I think Chris Pratt and Wiz Khalifa would be considered. I think those are pretty much household names. Um, but Kurtwood Smith, not so much, and Millie Bobby Brown is not American, so we need to replace those with two others. Now, that brings me to concept, and one of the important things here is one thing that you can do. Now, you're free to approach this any way you want. You want seemingly unrelated stamps, that's perfectly fine with me. But my recommendation is to create a concept within a concept. So we have the concept of this stamp series, right? So the concept within a concept would be creating some sort of commonality or similarities between the people that you're depicting in your stamp series. So for example, we have, okay, over here, these are all singers um, from different respective genres. Okay, so these are all singers. I think this was really interesting. Johns was using the same actor portraying four different characters. And then here, these are all Quentin Tarantino characters. Okay, and then here, all entertainers. So you see there's a little bit of a, by the way, David Bowie is not American either, so that couldn't be used. But you see there's like a concept within a concept kind of creating this harmony within in the project. And you're certainly welcome to approach it in that regard. Um, but so let's go ahead and replace Kurtwood Smith with an iconic American entertainer, and let's go ahead and replace Millie Bobby Brown with the same. And then I just want to talk about your technique and whatever you're going to employ as your technique. So be sure to review all of the tutorials. There's tutorials in the course resources aplenty. You got to look at those. A lot of them are kind of just watching somebody work, but you'll learn a ton about the technique. And then also, I want you to go back to week 3, the course announcement for week 3. And remember, that was our week on color. And we wanted to review all of the resources in that Welcome to Week 3 announcement, because a lot of those have to do with shading and highlight techniques that we're going to employ in this. But definitely the most important thing to do is to review all of the resources in the course. I'm sorry, all of the resources located in the course learning materials. Okay, so good start. If you want to go ahead and replace these and repost, that'd be great. I'll make some final comments, but good start. Thanks so much for sharing your work.